In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix all Microsoft Store errors on Windows 10, and yes, this method will work every time. Spending time trying to download an app and being greeted with an error message is frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to make it a smooth journey. Follow along as I guide you through step-by-step instructions to resolve these issues, hopefully for good. Let's start by heading to the Start menu. It's your primary hub on your computer where you access most built-in apps and settings. Simply click the Start menu and you'll see a range of applications and options. From here, your next move is to locate and click on the Microsoft Store. As you may know, Microsoft Store is your gateway to accessing various applications and games directly on your Windows 10 device. Once inside the Microsoft Store, it's crucial to check if your Windows system is up to date. For this, you need to navigate to the Windows Update settings. This step is vital because often ensuring your system has the latest updates can resolve many store-related issues by fixing bugs and compatibility glitches. Now you'll want to click on Check for Updates. This step is like a health check for your system. When you click this, your computer will begin looking for any available updates that your system hasn't yet installed. It's important to deal with any pending updates as they can be responsible for performance problems and errors within the Microsoft Store. After you click on Check for Updates, your system might inform you that certain updates need to be purchased or confirmed. For the ones requiring purchase, you'll need to take additional action accordingly. However, for the majority of updates, you'll often see a straightforward prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to install all available Windows updates. This might take a little time, but it's a critical step in ensuring your Microsoft Store runs smoothly. It's important to exercise some patience here. Installing updates can sometimes take a while depending on their size and your internet speed. But remember, once all updates are successfully installed, you should have a seamless experience when using the Microsoft Store going forward. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough process that should help you tackle those pesky Microsoft Store errors on Windows 10. By taking the time to maintain your system through regular updates, you can prevent many common issues from occurring. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Be sure to check back for more tips and solutions to keep your tech running perfectly. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy computing.